how to use Flashloop AI. So if you want to use Flashloop AI, then what you need to do is first you need to download Flashloop AI from your App Store or your Google Play Store, or use it on your web browser. So once you've downloaded, you need to just open Flashloop, go with Get Started. You can sign up with your Apple account or your Google or just your email. It's quick to create an account. Go with Get Started, which will be on the bottom. So I'll just simply go with Continue with Google. Select your Google account. Go with Continue, which will be on the bottom. Go with Yes, let's go. Tap on Continue. Go with Start Creating. And then go and select what do you want to create. Like for example, in my case, I'll just simply go with the first one and then go with Continue, which will be on the bottom again. And now you need to enter the referral code if you have a referral code, or you can go with Skip, which will be on the bottom. Go with Maybe Later. Go with Explore the app. And that's it. You've created your account, right? Now, once you're in the app, you will have a clean interface where you can start creating videos. Flashloop uses cool AI like Google's V3, turn your ideas into stunning videos with realistic visuals and sound effects. To make a video, you need to tap on Create Video. You'll need to type in a prompt, like for example, like this, dancing a cat in a park, or a cool product ad. Be clear and specific for the best results. You can also upload an image to turn it into a video. Now here's the catch. Creating video uses credit. You just need simply go with Send, which will be on the right side. For example, here a video cost 1,000 credits. So in my case, if I want to create a video, I'll need to have 1,000 credits. But in my case, I don't have any credits right here, so I won't be able to make any videos. New users don't get free credits, but you can earn them by sharing your referral code. Invite 3 friends to join, and you will get 1,000 credits. If you're ready to create more, you can upgrade. A weekly plan gives you 10,000 credits for $20, or a monthly plan gives you 40,000 credits for $40. Pick what works for you. Once you have credits, just hit generate, and Flashloop will make your video in seconds. You can download it or share it on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.